Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. So today we get to take a look at the 2025 BMW X6. This is the xDrive40i, finished off in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. MSRP for this model is just over $87,000. We have a lot of different packages for this particular model. So it is on the higher end of the trim levels here for the X40. Now this is powered by the 3-liter twin power turbo inline 6-cylinder. It's paired to both the 48-volt hybrid system along with the 8-speed automatic. Combined, this pumps out 375 horsepower, 398 pound-feet of torque. Sent through that all-wheel drive system, it can propel this 5,000-pound SUV from 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds. Top speed is 155 miles an hour. Now, as we work our way to the exterior styling, you'll notice with the M Sport and M Sport Pro package, there's a lot of gloss black and matte black. So it's on the entire surround for the grille. There's plenty of cutouts here and active grille shutters that will open. Forward-facing camera for this model, as well as having all the parking sensors, a nice dark housing for all of the LEDs up front. There's more gloss black, tons of inlets down below, and then some very nice lines that come down that hood. Now the gloss black works its way to the side for the multi-spoke wheels. This also has the blue M Sport brakes. There's gloss black at the base of the power folding side mirrors, which have the camera and the turn signal. It's in the lower section. It's around all the window trim, and then there's the moonroof up top. Now the X6 has more of that coupe-like design. So if you're looking for that, but you want practicality of an SUV, it's a great combo to go with. Now there's more gloss black for the trunk mounted spoiler, dark housings for those LEDs in back. There's the backup camera, all the sensors. When properly equipped, the X6 can tow up to around 7,200 pounds. This also has remote start too, so you can use the key fob for that. You can also use the key fob to open up that power, what I'll call lift gate, a little bit different shape. But in back for the X6, you still have a decent amount of space. You're just going to lose a little bit of height with the exterior shape. You get a little bit of storage, full-size spare underneath. You have this removable cover here, and you can fold down the back seats as well if you need a little bit more interior storage. And then as we work our way to the back seats, I don't have the setting just right, but you can grab the front door handle and that will unlock all 4 doors. And then for the interior, a very nice leather, all the brushed aluminum accents, interior lighting, storage in the lower section there. And then we have the leather seats here. Now at 5'10", I have plenty of room. I have about an inch or so above my head. You have an area to place and charge some tablets, some storage pockets. These are heated seats, all of your climate adjustments with storage and additional auxiliaries there. And then with the armrest, you have cup holders in the front and a storage in the back there. You can also fold down this middle seat individually if you need a little bit more functionality. And then this has the Alcantara headliner as well. And then for the front door panel, there's all the memory seating adjustments. You can even adjust the front passenger seat by using that control. There's the lift gate, your mirrors, windows, more storage in that lower section. And then the power operating front seats here, which have a great look to them. So let's start this up where we have the solid leather steering wheel. There's also the paddle shifters on both sides. You have your cruise and distance pacing, volume tuning, Bluetooth adjustments, and then you also have this control in the middle to further go through all of this content. So you can use the rotary dial to get through all of this, where you have some info that is going to be very helpful to view front and center. You can also adjust the layout too, so just depending on how you want to view this info. And the last one is for the head-up display, where you have a few different settings to pull up as well. Now there's storage on this left side, all of your headlight adjustments, 1 air vent, and then working our way to the infotainment system. For the home screen, you have the split style. So you get the navigation with all this info on the left side, and then everything in the lower section is fixed. So you can quickly get through all of this. You can get into your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your drive recorder, interior lights, all this information. You can also get into your climates, your navigation, and music. And then you can quickly get into your heated and ventilated seats along with the heated steering wheel and your temperatures on both sides there. So it's really nice that those are fixed. You get this neat trim accent, 2 air vents, your power volume tuning, and some defrosters. When you open up this compartment, you have wireless charging with storage, cup holders, and auxiliaries. You can also use these shortcuts down below. So if you don't want to use it as a touchscreen system, you can quickly get through it by using those with the rotary dial. Now we can put it into reverse, where this has the 360 camera system. So you have no shortage of visibility here with that entire system. There's also drive, sport mode, and then park is located behind that. Now there's traction control, your parking sensors, and then you have a few different driving modes, which will modulate your throttle response as well as how the vehicle is going to handle and drive. There's your downhill assist with your auto hold and e-brake, a little bit of storage with some auxiliaries. There's plenty of storage in the glove box, even the illuminating X6 logo on that passenger side. There's some garage door buttons up top, and then you have your adjustments for the sunshade and the sunroof. And then visibility, like I mentioned earlier, you're not sacrificing too much to get that coupe-like design. And we're still in Sport Plus second gear. Here we go. And again, mild acceleration, we are up to speed. Let's put it into eco mode now, where you still have the ability to use these paddle shifters. However, it is going to limit your throttle response. So if you're out on the highway or you're just not looking for that extra little bit of responsiveness in the throttle, you can use eco mode, where we give it another acceleration. A little bit more of a delay in those shifts and getting up with that slow acceleration there. So it's nice that they are functional, just depending on how you're driving for the day. But this is what it's like to be behind the wheel for the X6. Looks nearly identical to the X5 and the X7 for the interior. BMW has brought their latest technology here, and they're starting to basically incorporate all of that into all of the models. So you can drive all of them and you really won't see a difference aside from the exterior. But it's a really nice place to be. And again, from ownership experience with an X5, it just gives you that luxury drive. It gives you that sleeker exterior appearance, kind of a little bit more of that luxury vibe, being a BMW. And I really don't have any complaints with it. I'm not trying to be biased towards my BMW X5, just from the about a year or so of ownership with it. I think they are very nice vehicles. I would not opt for any of the plug-in hybrids. I would just stick with the engines like this. We do have that hybrid assistance, but it's not the same as the plug-in hybrid, which mine is, but that's for a whole different topic. But I do like BMWs in general. We have a pretty tight turning radius here as well. I think we're going to have to back up here, but that's where you have that top-down view to give you additional visibility as needed. And we still have a practical SUV. So if you need additional storage, you can still get it with the X6, even with the shape of that back end there. But very nice, comfortable seating position, and overall a great luxury focused SUV. That is going to wrap it up though for the all new 2025 BMW X6. Once again, huge shout out to Hendrick BMW Northlake for providing this for me today. Take a look at their website, give this video a huge thumbs up, and consider smashing that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our daily uploads. I will see you all in the next video.